Hi guys, this is Dalba from Ideas by Dalba, and today I'm at my new studio setup, but it's still a work in progress. As you can see right now, it's just a white backdrop, but we're working on that. We're working on getting a spiffier setup here for my videos. But more importantly, today I want to bring you guys an unboxing and also a review on Fragrant jewels. So this is my Fragrant jewels box. This FJ is for Fragrant jewels. I ordered, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, I ordered the Mermaid. They have some sort of fairy tale collection, and I ordered a Mermaid bath bomb and a candle. Okay, so I ordered my package July 12th, and like almost 2 weeks later, I emailed the company to find out what was going on because I hadn't received my package, and I got a response back saying that all of these products are handmade, so it takes some time, but as soon as my order is ready, they were going to email me letting me know it was on its way. So it finally got to me on August 1st. August 1st, people. I ordered this July 12th and it got to me August 1st. Like, I could appreciate that things are handmade and all of that, but I just feel like they have to I don't know, make their process a little quicker, because this wasn't cheap. These things really weren't cheap. I think I paid probably maybe like $50 for 2 items. That included the item and the shipping. So that's a lot of money. Okay, but now let me get to the unboxing. So they do wrap it up really nice. Let me see. It appears to be really nice. And also in the box, this was a free gift they included, and it's Mermaid nail stickers. It's nail wraps with Swarovski crystals. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're like mermaid designs. So I'm looking forward to putting these on my nails. Okay, so that was the free gift that I got because, oh, I got that free gift because I had ordered before. So this is not my first order. I had ordered before, and that order was fine. I didn't think it took too long. Maybe because a lot of people are not ordering this from this line of products. But the other order I had done before came pretty quick, and it was, I think at that time it was just a bath bomb. And for those of you that don't know what Fragrant Jewels is, they're a company that makes like bath bombs, candles, maybe soaps, and inside each of the products is a ring. So you get like a surprise ring inside. Obviously, you tell the company what your ring size is, and they put the ring in your product, and then they mail you whatever it is that you bought. Last time, I got 2 products. I remember one had my ring correctly, and then the other one, I don't think the ring was correct, the right size. So I gave the ring to my daughter. At that time, it was like buy one get one free. So I kind of forgave them only because the second product was free. But I did love their product, so I decided to give them a second chance. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna start unwrapping this. This seems to have a lot of paper, a lot. You get the gist here. Maybe there'll be a product at the end of all of this. Ah, here's the product. Okay, so here we go. That was a lot of wrapping, so at least you know your stuff comes all secure. So the first item here, this is the bath bomb. It smells so good. So I got the Mermaid from the fairy tale collection. I'm hoping you guys can see the detail on that. The mermaid tail here, and it's a seashell, and it's so pretty and so glittery. They have, I believe, a unicorn one and a narwhal bath bomb in this collection, but it smells so good. And there's a ring inside. So once I actually use this, then I'll update you guys and hopefully upload pictures of my ring on my Instagram account. So, and then let me see the second product. Oh, maybe I'm only getting one ring. I thought it was a ring in each, but who knows? I don't know. I'll soon find out. Okay, so the first thing I noticed, it has like little like scratches on the candle and like little nicks and stuff. So maybe that's just the way, maybe the way it was packaged. But again, it smells really good, and it has this like nice mermaid logo, and the jar itself has seashells and starfish on it, and there's a size 8 because that's my ring size. So I don't know if to assume that the ring is only in here or that both of these have a ring. Hopefully both of them have a ring. That's what I thought I was getting. So guys, that was my unboxing for Fragrant Jewels, and my personal opinion on the company. They do have totally awesome products, but I just wish that their shipping and production would be a little tighter, and customers like myself would get their items faster. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe below, and catch you guys later. Bye.